see there are a lot of components right now. So it started with thread at coats for apparel, but as well for footwear. And in 22, the acquisitions of Texon and Rhenoflex took place to broaden the product range towards structural components, insoles, and this stuff. Yeah.
Right. Now, Coats has been around for a long time.
It's more than 250 years.
That's pretty amazing.
UK-based company, started in Scotland. A lot of history, experience, and success. Yeah.
It's a staple in apparel, and you've really made it also in footwear.
Yeah. What we are pointing out this year in the show is our upper development. What we did, it's called ProWeave, where we have a really special technology with Jaguar weaving, and our engineers are really capable to do the difference. Yeah.
Nice.
So we have material which have stretch zones, for example. The latest news we are showing here are monofilament developments, so transparent outer fabrics, very open outer fabrics, which are very lightweight but still strong. So this is one part coming from the upper. Another point what we promote on this show is the technology and the products coming out of Rhenoprint. Rhenoprint is a kind of 3D printing. We are producing net pieces, so no cutting is necessary, no skiving, and this means no waste.
That's a great sustainable piece to it.
Right, it's ready to use. We have multiple production sites across the globe. We are close to the customer with this technology. It's our truffle.
Yeah. So let's see some of those things. Can you show us?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Sure. So these are some samples of Rhenoprint pieces. And they are coming like that out of the factory. And you can see here different materials, different colors. This means different properties.
Okay. So like in terms of like how soft or firm?
Exactly, yeah. So there are some materials which are better to have it in a counterpart because it's giving more stability. The other ones which are more flexible are better for a toe box, for example. So this is Rhenoprint. It's a quite established technology since the mid of the 80s, but the latest developments we are doing for that, they are going beyond that, to be honest. So what we are doing is, give you an example here, we are able with this technology as well to create different thicknesses within one piece.
Okay.
So if you have a sheet, you only have one thickness. The standard Rhenoprint is also one thickness, but the multi-zone makes us able really to have different zones within one piece. So if you put this here into the light, for example, you can see it's more dense in this part, and this is a customization we can offer, which is really extremely valuable and unbeatable in the market.
Is it done through molding or through cutting?
There is no cutting at all.
No.
We are doing a powder sintering process and a printing of powder. So it's done with a special machine, which is our proprietary development and heritage. We are printing the powder through a screen. This is the basic technology. It's getting heated, it's consolidated, it's calibrated, and then it's ready. It sounds easy, but there's a lot of know-how in that.
Yeah, good. So how are the customers responding well?
The interest is extremely high because of sustainability aspects. We have high content of sustainable material, like recycled ones. So, for example, a PET material here inside. The process and the raw materials give us an extremely favorable CO2 footprint. So if you compare this footprint of such a piece to a sheet material, so we are talking about 50% less CO2 footprint.
That's
and
really nice.
This is really very attractive. Other advantages are coming in the shoe manufacturing. It's really extremely effective using these parts compared to very heavy other counter materials.